Easy, quick answers about making money online are here. These days, many people consider the options of working from home, which can be done through the internet. Maybe you have thought about this a time or 2 or 20, but haven't taken the first step to do something about it. You just need some ideas and advice, which can be found below. Thoroughly review any online site before you give them any type of commitment or information. While there are numerous opportunities to make money from behind a monitor, unfortunately there are quite a few scammers out there. Know who owns a site, make sure the site is secure and see what others have to say about it first. If you want to get started making money online quickly and easily, clean out your closets, garage, attic and storage unit. Collect anything you do not want or need anymore and sell it through eBay or Amazon. Start with small, cheap items so that you can build up an online reputation through repeated positive customer feedback. Making money online is something you can't just do overnight. You have to stick to your plan and remember that perseverance will get you through the tough times. The harder you work at it, the more you will make, so steel your determination and keep watching video like this one to learn more. Translate documents if you are fluent in a second language and want to make money on the side. Check out the freelancing sites to find people who will need things altered into a different language. This can be anyone from a large corporation to an individual who wants to translate something for a friend. Think about affiliate marketing for online income. With a working website or blog, you can attach affiliate links both in your content and through banners. These links will pay you each time one of your viewers clicks through. With the right affiliates, these links can lead to great dividends if you supply enough traffic. Making money online can occur even when you're sleeping. Passive income streams are those that require virtually no work from you. An example is a forum. You can moderate it for a brief period daily, but make income from it all day long via ads. You just need someone to tell you what to do to make money on the internet. Luckily for you, these tips were specially formulated to give you an assist in beginning a successful online money-making adventure. Anyone can make money online, but to make a lot you will need to keep learning. These tips will help you get started today. Affiliate marketing is a sure way to get some extra cash. But there is better than just selling other people's products. You can sell your own products and make affiliates help you to also sell them. How can you achieve this? Pay close attention to the opportunity I will introduce to you. I will show you a site where you can download more than 12,500 digital products. They are all private label products. You can download, edit them, own them, and sell them to keep 100% of the profits. The digital products concerned include marketing software, ebooks, video courses, tutorials, articles, photos, templates, etc. The very good news is that you can start downloading for 100% free. With the free membership, you can download up to 500 products before deciding to upgrade for premium, where you will spend only $67 for a full year membership. Click the link in the description to register and access for free today. As you download the digital products, you can create your own affiliate program and recruit affiliates to sell them for you. In so doing, your profits will skyrocket by more than 1000% plus. Click the other link in the description to access a platform that will show you how you can create your own affiliate program.